Hello everyone, my name is Nargis Nasrini and let's start today's video. In this video, we will be talking about like and not like operator. So this operator helps us to find a pattern. So let's see through an example, like we are going to do this in the workbench only. So we have this database which is employees and we are going to work on the employees table inside it. So I'm going to write down the query. A simple one. I just want to see the structure of this table. So let's write it down. Okay. So we have this structure where we have employee number, birth date, first name, last name, gender, and hire date of the employee separately. Okay. So now we are going to use like operator. So let's see how to do this. So as I said, it searches for a pattern that we are going to mention. So what is the way of writing it? We write down select star from employees where first name. Now we are going to use this operator which is like, and now we are going to give this parenthesis inside. I'm going to give quotation mark and I want to search for those names that starts with M, A and R. And after these three letters, there can be as many characters are, like there's no limit. It can be a four character or five character, that doesn't matter. So for that, we have to give percentage symbols. What's the meaning of this? That in the first name, the first three characters should be MAR. Remaining can be anything. Okay. So I want those names only. So let's see. I will execute this. And see, in the first name, now we have all those names that starts with MANR. Okay. As you can see. So like this, you can search for any pattern. Now let's try another one. So what we can do, we can write, let me copy the same pen and I'm going to paste it here. Now I want to search for those names in which somewhere like this MAR is going to come. It can appear in the beginning, it can appear in the end, it can appear somewhere in the middle. Okay, so but it is going to be there in the name. So we can do this also. We have to give percentage in the beginning, percentage in the end, and just give the pattern in the middle. So let me execute this query and see. So in Mary, MAR is coming, then in Otmar, MAR is coming, then Margareta. So wherever this MAR, see here, this name, Dharmaraj, this name, in this we have this MAR in the middle. So it just represents that MAR can either come in the beginning, in the end, or somewhere in between. Okay. Now, next thing that we can do, there's another way to do this. Now see, if you want only those names that has MAR in the beginning and should be of 4 characters only, so in that case what we do, we remove this percentage and we give underscore sign. It represents that after MAR there will be only one extra character. That total, the name will be of 4 characters, the first name. Let me execute. Okay, see, these are the names with 4 characters and the first 3 characters are MANR. Okay, so like this you can use. Now, what other things we can search for? So let's try to find all those employees whose employee ID is starting with 1000 and is of 4 characters. So how we can do that? Let's see. So first let me paste the same thing. And here I will write down, okay, let me execute this first. So let's see what is the name of that column. The name is employee number. So I will be writing employee number and it should be like, let's delete this 1000 and this. So let's see what we are going to get in this. Yeah. So we get all those employees and see we have only 9 rows returned here because we actually want all those employees in which the first 4 character is this, and it will have one extra character. It can be anything. Okay, so the total character should be 5. So this is what we get from 10001 till 10009. Okay, now let's try to find out those employees who got hired in, let's say, 1986. Okay, so how we can write that? So again, click enter, paste the same thing, and the name of the column is hire date, and here we can write down percent 1986. Let me execute this. Yeah, so we have all those employees that get hired in 1986. Okay, yeah. So this is how we can use this percentage sign or underscore underscore to get the pattern. These are called wildcard characters, like percentage sign, underscore, or the star sign. These are called wildcard characters. Okay, and it helps us to search for something. Okay, now this just like we have one more thing that is called as not like. It is just opposite of like. So if I'm going to paste this same line of code and let me get the comment that it is not like. Okay, so what we have to do, we just have to put it here. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning is all those names where the first 3 characters are not MANR, it can be anything. Okay, so let's try to run this and see. We have all those names in which these 3 characters do not appear. Okay, so yeah, we get all these names. So this is how we use like operator and not like operator. They are very useful when you have to search for something. Okay, when you are not sure of this, but you know some part of it, in that case, it is very, very useful. Okay, and you can use percentage and underscore together also. Okay, like let's take this example. I'm going to write it here for the like part. I will be writing that I want those names that starts with a character, any character from A to Z. After this, MAR is going to be there, and after MAR, there can be as many character. It doesn't matter. Okay, so let me run this query. Okay, so we do not have any name like this. So now let me do one thing. Let me remove this M. Now let me search for this. Okay. So yeah, we have now, see, in every name, you can see the first letter can be anything. Here it's P, here it's M, here it's A, but the second and third are A and R in every name. And after that, there can be as many characters, 2 characters or 3 characters, it doesn't matter. Okay, so like this, you can use like and not like. So I don't think we have much to discuss. Yeah, you can practice questions on this because this is a very important operator and you can try different things. And if you get any questions, you can ask me in the comment section also. I will be happy to help. And yeah, that's all from my side. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.